Si no estuviera con la nena, iba atrás del tron.
No, papi.
Fire truck on fire on Maryland, and a garbage truck, rather. I'm sorry, a garbage truck on fire on Maryland and West. Oh my God, man. Yeah, that's getting out of control. Yeah, I think they probably called it already.
I know, but still.
Oh my God, the tanks. You know what? I'm gonna have to get away from this. I wanted to record it, but I have the baby with me here,
Sit back.
and I'm gonna have to leave. What is it, baby? It's the smoke, mommy. I'm sorry, mommy.
On the corner block of West Avenue in Maryland? Yes, yes.
They called already?
Awesome. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. She said...
Fuego.
Sit back.
That truck on fire, yeah, the garbage truck.
Don't move. That's getting bad.
That's crazy, that truck on fire.